A 45-year-old civil servant has been brought before Dublin District Court accused of leaking confidential government information to a foreign intelligence service. Yevgen McKeeffe, originally from Ukraine but with Irish citizenship, was refused bail and was remanded in custody, as Laura Fletcher reports.
Yevgen McKeeffe was brought before Dublin District Court, charged with Section 9 of the Theft and Fraud Offences Act for the unlawful use of a computer in his employment. The court heard that the 45-year-old, who's originally from Ukraine but is an Irish citizen, works for a government department. Judge Máire Conneely noted that the lines of inquiry in this case were that the accused allegedly obtained or transferred official data and supplied it to a foreign intelligence service for personal gain. Yevgen McKeeffe has not yet indicated a plea. Judge Conneely imposed reporting restrictions preventing journalists from revealing the accused's address in Dublin, the specific government department where he worked, or the overseas country implicated in the case. However, Judge Conneely denied a defence application to prevent the media from naming the accused. The court heard that Mr McKeeffe held a junior management grade in the Information Management Technology section of a government department and that he worked on the department's website and online portal. Detective Sergeant Shay Palmer of the Special Detective Unit said he arrested Mr McKeeffe at departures in Dublin Airport on Thursday afternoon. He said the accused was taken to a Garda station and when charged at 11:46 last night, he made no reply. The court heard Gardaí seized electronic devices and documents during a search of his home and that his workplace was also examined and his desktop computer was seized. Judge Conneely held that Mr McKeeffe was a flight risk and she denied bail. She granted him legal aid. Mr McKeeffe has been remanded in custody and he'll appear at Cloverhill District Court on Tuesday. Laura Fletcher, RTE News at Dublin District Court.